Just a quick tip on how to use StatKey for scatterplots when you've got two different quantitative variables. Get this screen shared with you. To go to StatKey, all you need to do is simply type in StatKey. Google will bring it up. Click it. Once the StatKey website comes up, you have to pick where you want to go. Scatterplots and regression lines are from two quantitative variables. They have a pre-fault set of data that's listed here. And if you're working out of the book, most everything is here. Sometimes you have to upload a data set from one of their data files, which was shown in a different video. If you go ahead and pull up any one of these, let's pull up the hot dog one, you'll notice over here you get a summary. The correlation value R is off to the side, and then you've got your slope, the number that would touch your X for the regression line, and the intercept, which is the number that doesn't touch X. You can click this and that'll throw the regression line in. One quick tip, sometimes you need to switch what's measured down here on the horizontal axis. So this was the year of the hot dog competition. The vertical one is the number of hot dogs that won the competition that year. If you need to switch the variables, you just click this little thing here, and now the hot dogs are down here and the year is vertical. That switches your X and Y, or explanatory, which is the horizontal, and the response with the vertical. The things that you'll notice, the correlation will stay the same. It is unchanged. However, the slope and the intercept will be different. If you don't need them that way, you can always switch them back. So just a little quick tip, using two quantitative variables for scatter plots, regression lines, and correlation. Hope it helps. Take care. Have a good one. Bye-bye.